That LBZ Duramax has serious power sitting under the hood, but factory throttle lag, uncorrected speedometers after a tire swap, and locked-down ECU settings are leaving performance on the table. These 5 products unlock what your diesel was always capable of. Every link is in the description. Go check them out. Starting the countdown at number 5. The amp throttle booster stands out with one feature nobody else on this list has. A wireless Bluetooth remote for on-the-fly adjustments without mounting anything on your dash. 3 customizable throttle slots, 5 preset curves, full app control, and it builds turbo boost quicker by sharpening pedal response. No wiring, no drilling, no permanent modifications. Clean install and genuine diesel performance improvement. Number 4. The Superchips Flashcal is a different animal from everything else here. It's a calibration tool, not just a throttle controller. Threw on bigger tires or re-geared your axles. This corrects your speedometer, adjusts TPMS settings, reads and clears trouble codes, and monitors real-time data. No tune file, no power claims, just precise factory-level control over your truck's settings. Affordable, practical, and upgradable to full Flashpaq tuning later. At number 3, the Faaftech Shiftpower brings the deepest customization of any throttle controller on this list. 351 adjustable settings across 6 modes with 3 different acceleration curves. Linear, dynamic, and exponential response profiles let you dial in exactly how the LBZ pedal feels in every situation. Eco mode saves up to 20% on fuel, throttle lock adds security. Full iOS and Android app control with 1% increment adjustments. Plug and play, fully reversible. Number 2. The Superchips Flasgpaq F5 is the real performance tuner on this list. Dyno-tested tunes loaded and ready with performance, tow, and economy modes that actually change how your Duramax pulls. Speedometer correction for tire and gear changes, transmission shift point tuning, shift firmness adjustments, and active fuel management control, all on a full-color screen. Reads and clears codes too. If you want measurable gains you can feel immediately, this is where the LBZ wakes up. Pedal Commander takes the top spot for the same reason it always does. It delivers instant daily use throttle improvement with 0 risk to your factory tune. 4 modes, 36 settings, 15-minute plug-and-play install that leaves absolutely no ECU footprint. Works perfectly with lifted builds, bigger tires, and heavy towing setups where factory lag gets amplified most. Free app control plus subscription anti-theft pedal lock. The most trusted name in throttle controllers earns its spot at number 1. 5 products, 1 Duramax, and a range of upgrades from basic throttle response all the way to full performance tuning. Whether you want plug-and-play daily improvement or a tune that wakes the LBZ up properly, this list covers every angle. All links are in the description. Go find your upgrade. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More diesel content is on the way.